I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Hello guys, good morning. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Tineg Abra. Pupuntahan pa natin ang sikat na Apaw Rolling Hills. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Love Tineg! Welcome to Tineg everyone! Tineg Abra! Yan guys, yung mga kasama natin for today's video, mga foreigner na galing lang sa ibaba. Hello guys, nandiyan yung mga friends natin, mga turista. Isa na namang masaya at magandang araw sa inyo mga ka-wonders. Bago po tayo dumiretso sa sikat na Apaw Rolling Hills, dito po sa bayan ng Tineg Abra. Atin po munang libutin ang kanilang napakagandang munisipyo. Abot tanaw po ang napakagandang cruise sa taas ng simbahan. Napakaganda po ng weather today. At ayan nga po, pupuntahan na po natin ang sikat na Apaw Rolling Hills. Yan, may checkpoint si Kuya. Bago nga po pala tayo makarating sa mismong Apaw Rolling Hills, kailangan muna nating magbayad ng entrance fee na 40 pesos. At ayan nga po, napakaganda ng mga tanawin at talaga namang nakakamangha. Talaga namang Instagrammable. Ito pong pababa, ito lang po yung rough road na dadaanan natin. So far, madali lang to daanan mga ka-wonder. Konting rough road lang. At ayan na, yung napakagandang view. Bubungad na sa iyo ang napakagandang tanawin. Kunting paalala lang sa mga nagbabalak o nagpaplanong papasyal po dito sa napakagandang Apaw Rolling Hills na bawal magtapon ng basura and be responsible all the time. At ayan nga mga ka-wonders, nandito na po tayo. Dito na po yung babaan. Hindi na po natin pwedeng dalhin sa taas ang ating mga motor dahil bawal na po. At ayan nga po, kitang-kita naman ang kagalakan at excitement sa mukha ng ating mga kasama for today's video. At bago natin lakbayin lahat ang napakagandang Apaw Rolling Hills, hindi pwedeng walang picture, bawat anggulo dapat kuha. At ayan nga po, napakaganda. Mula po dito sa itaas mga ka-wonders, kitang-kita po ang buong munisipyo ng Bangged, Dolores, San Juan, at Lagangilang. Talagang speechless na po yung mga kasama natin for today's video. Ayan, hindi na po sila makapagsalita dahil sa amazement na nararamdaman nila. Mga ka-wonder, ito yung perfect na pasyalan. Mula po sa bayan ng Bangged, 1 hour and 30 minutes lang po ang biyahe papunta po dito. Napakalamig at napaka-presko po ng hangin dito sa taas. At talaga namang wish come true itong lakad na ito sa ating mga kasama dahil first time po nila pumunta dito. Dahil pakiramdam mo pag nandito ka, feeling mo na sa ibang bansa ka, pero nasa Abra province ka lang pala. Dito pa lang sa loob ng probinsya talagang napakadami ng pasyalan. Kahit tirik na tirik ang araw, hindi mo talaga mararamdaman ang init dahil napakalamig po dito sa mismong taas ng bundok. Ayan mga ka-wonders, pagpapasyal po kayo dito, dapat isama nyo na ang buong pamilya, isama nyo na ang mga kapatid, kapitbahay, kapamilya at kapuso para namang lahat ay enjoy. Mahaba-haba na ang aming nilakad mga ka-wonders, pero talaga namang hindi ramdam ang pagod sa kanila. Kanina pa kami lakad ng lakad pero parang hindi pa namin naaabot ang maliit na burol sa ibaba. Don't forget to bring water mga ka-wonders para stay hydrated ang lahat. Mas maganda po yung maaga na pupunta po dito para talagang makikita mo yung mga clouds at may enjoy mo ang magmuni-muni. At ayan mga ka-wonders, paakyat na po tayo sa maliit na burol. Maganda daw kumuha ng mga selfie at pictures po sa taas. Kaya dito po tayo aakyat sa maliit na burol. At ayan nga po, malapit na po tayo sa itaas mismo. Yan po yung mga kasama natin sa likod. Si Miss Princess yan. si Joshua at saka si Saiden. Kitang-kita ang napakaganda at napakaaliwalas na tanawin. Yan mga ka-wonders, napakaganda, kulay brown. Yan yung mga grass na natuyo na. Dating green yan mga ka-wonders, ngayon brown na dahil summer ngayon sa Pilipinas. May isip mo lang talaga na wala talagang katulad ang probinsya. Napakadami talagang mai-offer in terms of pasyalan, tourist spot. Talagang mas mapapalapit ka talaga sa nature. Sulit na sulit at talaga namang walang katulad ang experience sa pagpasyal sa lugar na ito. Bago po tayo magpatuloy, kung hindi ka pa po nakasubscribe sa aking channel, pindutin po ang subscribe button at bell all para lagi po kayong updated sa lahat ng video uploads ni Sam's TV. Maraming salamat mga ka-wonders. Bigla ang lakad lang ito mga ka-wonders. Dahil mas maganda talaga pag hindi pinagpaplanuhan ang mga lakad. Mahirap talaga pag puro plano lang pero hindi naman natutuloy.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours.
At ayan mga ka-wonders, tapos na tayo sa pamamasyal sa Apaw Rolling Hills. Uwian time na. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Hanggang sa susunod nating mga vlog. Thank you so much.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.